Dew point -4, altimeter 3009er. Visual approach in use, landing and departing, runway 17 left and 17 right. VFR taxiing aircraft advise ground control your direction of flight. All aircraft advise ground control when your run-up is complete. Use caution for numerous construction cranes in the vicinity of the airport. Advise on initial contact you have information, Delta. Centennial Tower information, Delta 1553 Zulu weather. Wind 180 at 16, gust 30. Visibility 10. Few clouds 2000. Sea
59er Sierra, resume on navigation. I'll blow for you in just a moment.
Oh, navigation for 59er Sierra.
Citation 3 Uniform Mike, proceed direct Baylor.
Direct Baylor, Uniform Mike.
Frontier Flight 787, turn left heading 260.
260, Frontier 787.
Victor 377, descend, maintain 8,000, have your approach clearance shortly, reference traffic.
Okay, maintain 8,000, Victor 377.
Victor 377, turn left heading 020, cleared visual approach runway 30 right.
Turn left heading 020, clear for the visual 30 right, Executive 377.
Frontier Flight 787, proceed direct foot.
Direct to foot, Frontier 787.
Vector 377, contact Metro Tower 118.6. Have a good day.
6, Executive 377, bye.
Cessna 59er Sierra, descend at your discretion.
Descend at our discretion, 59er Sierra.
Denver approach, Cessna 75775. We are leaving downtown, direct westbound. We'd like to cancel flight following.
Skyhawk 775, radar service terminated, Squawk VFR, frequency change crew, have a good day.
Squawk VFR, frequency change crew 775, good day.
Down here to 7,500.
Citation 3 Uniform Mike, contact Denver Center 128.65. Have a good day.
2865, Uniform Mike.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to.
Frontier Flight 787, contact Denver Center 128.65. Have a good day.
2865, you do the same.
Let's take it to 7. Yeah, we'll level up here. Miles out. We are in 9 minutes.
And Denver departure November 825, Tango Bravo 8400 for 12,000. Our heading is 290.
Calendar 825, Tango Bravo, Denver departure, roger.
One last check, fuel flow. HTs.
It's because I just did a descent, that's why. We're okay, and it's climbing. 74, engine temperature pressure good. Looking good.
Dock 2459er Sierra, contact Centennial Tower, 118.9er, outside Class Bravo airspace.
Roger, we'll contact Tower 118.9er once we're clear of your Bravo. 5 here. Here we are clear of your Bravo. Let's go ahead and take it to 7. This is not going to be fun. Be freaked. Just get to go and execute. We're clear of the Bravo.
Alpha 8, Alpha to the ramp, Tempest 1, service on.
Centennial Tower, Skyhawk 2459er Sierra is 10 to the north with Delta inbound full stop.
Tag 2459 Sierra, Centennial Tower, make straight in, run 17 left.
Make straight in 17 left. 5 meters, yeah.
Wind 18011. This is 59 Sierra, wind 1807, gust 17, roll 17 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 17 left, 5 meters, yeah. So let's get in at 75 knots.
Sun Journey 7, contact Denver departure.
Departure, good day, Thunder 7. Let's carby gas, undercarriage. Extra prop, light straps and flaps. Ah, damn, bumpy. Keep the speed up a little bit. All right. Yeah, shut up. We are high.
Centennial Tower, Care Flight 16.
Care Flight 16, Centennial Tower.
Yes, sir. Care Flight 16, we just lifted Swedish Medical Center, now 7 miles to the northwest of the airport. Like to be inbound landing Denver Jet Center.
Care Flight 16, proceed direct inbound towards the Jet Center, Centennial Tower 3008.
Proceed direct 3008, Care Flight 16, thanks.
Yeah, wind check.
Wind 18016.
It's coming from the right. We are high. So we're up.
Care Flight 16, did you have ATC Delta?
Negative, Care Flight 16, I'll get that now.
Care Flight 16, I'll give it to you, wind 170 at 17, temperature 13, dew point -6, altimeter is 3008.
Wind out of 170, 3008, Care Flight 16, thanks.
Spot on Sierra, turn left at Alpha 8, ground point 8.
Left at Alpha 8, ground point 8, 5 meters here.
And cleared across both runways, use caution, Care Flight 16, thanks for the jet center.
Dude, that was, I'll take that landing.
Delta Foothills 29, visual 17 left.
Every
29, Tail Tower, expect your clearance on final 17 left.
Foothills 29, thanks.
That was awesome. And after a landing, checklist, flaps up, lights as necessary, and contact ground, point 8. Centennial ground, Skyhawk 2459er Sierra at Alpha 8, parking Alpha today.
Skyhawk 2459er Sierra, Centennial ground, taxi 2 Alpha via Alpha.
2 Alpha via Alpha, 59er Sierra, thank you. That's a nice bird. That's pretty cool.
Foothills 10, Centennial clearance cleared to the Boston Airport via the Extan full departure. Shake transition as filed. Flying via the SID except maintain 8,000. Denver departure frequency 132.75, squawk 1416.
509 Charlie Fox. It's a bell, it looks like.
Foothills 10, read back correct.